Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Riz and welcome to my channel. In this quick and awesome video, I'm going to teach you how you can cast your iPhone 7 Plus to a non-Android Samsung TV. And it's completely free. It's wireless as well. There is a tiny bit of a lag, but that's just my internet, I'm pretty sure. So if you have a better connection, it's gonna work better for you. But okay, so before we start the video, just wanted to say that if you haven't joined the channel, be sure to join the channel, okay? Links in the description box below. Now let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing, but by the way, before we start, this is a iPhone 7 Plus. This will work for any iPhone actually. If you have iPhone 12 or above, I'll be linking that video up in the cards or in the description box below, okay? Alright, so the first thing you want to do on your iPhone 7 Plus is to make sure your iPhone 7 Plus is connected to some sort of a connection, because we need to download a free app called Replica. By the way, all the links will be in the description box below, okay? So be sure to check it out. Alright, so I'm not getting paid by these guys, by the way. I genuinely feel like this is probably one of the best screen mirroring apps for your iPhone. Also, there's a video about screen mirroring apps. I'll be linking that up in the description box below, okay? So be sure to check it out. Alright, so now, once the app is downloaded, what you want to do is to make sure your iPhone is connected to your home Wi-Fi. If you don't have home Wi-Fi, that is completely okay. I'm going to show you another way as well, so follow my steps, okay? All right, so as you can see right now, it is connected to my home Wi-Fi. But if you don't have home Wi-Fi, you can go to you can enable your personal hotspot. That way, by the way, be careful with the personal hotspot. This might cost you credit, because this use your mobile data, not your home Wi-Fi. So if you're using your personal hotspot, just be careful with it. Depending on your network, depending where you live, this might cost you credit. Alright, so app is downloaded, the phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. That's pretty much it. Now let's jump back to the TV and let's do this. Alright, so this is a 11 years old Samsung TV. It's by the way, not an Android TV. So the first thing you want to do is go to the network settings and go to your network settings inside the network settings, of course, and it will automatically search for all the available Wi-Fis. As you can see right there, that's my home Wi-Fi and that is my personal hotspot. So as I said before, you have options. You can use whichever you like. Again, be careful with the mobile data. It's not free, okay? So in this case, I'm just gonna connect my TV to my home Wi-Fi, and that is pretty much all we need to do on your TV. Once your TV is connected, that means TV is ready to be connected, to be casted to. So let's just jump back to the iPhone and let's do this. All right. So for the thing you need to make sure is that you have to make sure your iPhone is connected to that exact same network as your TV is. In this case, both are connected to my home Wi-Fi. By the way, open the Replica app, and by the way, this is also I'm opening this for the first time, so follow my steps. It's completely free. Again, it's gonna ask you to buy it, but if you look closer to the top right corner, you have the option to skip the purchase screen. As you can see, I have to wait like 9 seconds, and there you go. You have the option to skip the purchase screen. People often actually forget this step, so that's why they have issues actually. By the way, if you do have issues, let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely help you out. Alright, so just follow the steps, give all the necessary permissions that are needed. It's really important, okay? So that way it will scan your network inside the app, okay? You don't need to allow the notifications. Trust me on this. All right. So once the app is done, set up, all ready, it will automatically scan for all the TVs that are in your range on your Wi-Fi. By the way, so in this case we have Samsung, and once you click on it, it will again ask you to buy it. But if you look closer to the top right corner, you have the option to skip the purchase screen. Again, I'm telling this again and again because I genuinely feel like there's a lot of people who are having these issues. I've been using this app for as long as I remember, and it's completely free. So skip the purchase screen, and you have the option to start the broadcast. And that's the fun part, basically. This is how you cast your 7 Plus or any iPhone basically to your non-Android simple TV, completely free and wireless as well. All right, so that's it for the video. By the way, do not stop watching. By the way, I'll show you how you can switch the audio, swap the audio from the iPhone to your TV as well. But there is a tiny bit of lag. I'm not gonna lie. This is because of my internet connection. It's pretty slow. Not gonna lie. But if you have a better connection, this will work just fine. Trust me on this. Again, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't joined the channel, be sure to join the channel and join the community. Okay, there's a lot of perks for that. So be sure to join the channel community. But that's it for the video. I'll catch you in the next one. By the way, I'll also show you how you can stop this, okay? So don't worry about it. And that's it for the video. I'm Riz. If you like the video, please like the video. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.